What if a machine could mimic human thought? What if a computer could learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that generally require human intelligence? Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence and deep learning, a world where these what-ifs are inching closer to reality every day. The journey of artificial intelligence has been an incredible one. It started in earnest in the mid-20th century, when British mathematician and logician Alan Turing proposed the concept of a universal machine, a machine that could simulate any human intellect. This idea was the stepping stone to what we now know as artificial intelligence. During the 1950s and 1960s, the first AI programs were born, designed to mimic basic human intelligence. They could solve algebraic word problems, speak English, and even play checkers. But these were merely programmed responses, not genuine learning. Fast forward to the 1980s, and the concept of machine learning arrived on the scene. It was a game changer. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Then, in the 2000s, a more specific subset of machine learning evolved: deep learning. Deep learning takes inspiration from the human brain. It works on the concept of artificial neural networks, which imitate the way human brain works, enabling the machine to learn from large amounts of data. While a neural network with a single layer can still make approximate predictions, additional hidden layers can help optimize the accuracy. Over the past decade, deep learning has led to breakthroughs in fields like natural language processing, image recognition, and even self-driving cars. Imagine a machine that can understand and respond to human language, recognize a face in a crowd, or safely navigate a car through city streets. These are no longer flights of fancy, but real-world applications of deep learning. So, what's the future of artificial intelligence and deep learning? Predicting the exact trajectory is challenging, but it's clear that AI will continue to permeate every aspect of our lives. From healthcare to finance, transportation to entertainment, the applications of AI and deep learning are virtually limitless. To summarize, the journey of artificial intelligence began with the idea of mimicking human intelligence. This led to the development of machine learning, where machines could learn and improve from experience. The advent of deep learning further revolutionized the field, allowing machines to learn from large amounts of data, much like the human brain. And while the future of AI is yet to be written, one thing is certain: this remarkable technology will continue to shape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. So, as we stand on the brink of what may be a new era of technological advancement, it's worth pondering over the original question once again. What if a machine could mimic human thought? Well, it seems we're finding out. And the results are nothing short of extraordinary.